Hello everyone, this is Andy from Burstex, the crowd-owned crypto exchange, and today I want to show you how you can buy Burst coin so you can partake in our Burstex crowdfund. First, I'd like to mention some of the important details. The official symbol for our Burstex token is BEX. It is developed on the Burst blockchain, not the Ethereum blockchain, so please do not send any Ethereum to the Burstex crowdfund. If you try to send Ethereum, I can guarantee you it will not work and you'll just get frustrated. Regarding the price, 1 BEX equals 1 Burst coin, so if you send 1000 Burst coins to the crowdfund, you'll get 1000 BEX tokens in return. As you can see, the current price for Burst coin is $0.005 US. Even though this is an increase from the $0.003 US we've seen not too long ago, it's still a great deal. And below that you can see the total supply of BEX token is the same supply as Burst coin itself. So with those basic details covered, let's look at where we can currently buy Burst coin. Burst is currently listed on these 6 exchanges. Most of the trading pairs will be Burst Bitcoin, with the exceptions being the QBTC exchange, which offers a Burst to Chinese Tether trading pair. And if you want to buy Burst for fiat, the best exchange for that is Etherbase. There you'll be able to buy Burst with euros. They're accepting bank transfers as deposits, so it's extremely easy to buy Burst with fiat there. Today I'll be covering how to buy Burst on the Bittrex exchange. I'm already logged into my account there, so let's take a look. Once you're logged in, you'll see this trading screen with all the trading pairs. Here we're looking for the Bitcoin Burst trading pair, so scroll down a little bit here, type Burst, here we go. This is of course once you have deposited funds into your account already. And this is the trading screen that you'll see. It might seem a bit confusing at first, but it's really not. It's very simple. So here on the right you can see that the first available order for us to buy is for the price of 69 satoshis. Once I click that, it's going to add it to my order. Next you fill out either the quantity of burst you want to buy or the amount of Bitcoin you want to spend on the burst. For this example, let's say 0.1 Bitcoin. And you can leave the position type as good till cancelled. So click the buy button. Okay, this is just an overview. Make sure you've gone over everything, you've not made any mistakes, you haven't put an extra zero at the end. And once you're 100% sure about it, click commit to buy. Alright, so that was fulfilled. Now we've got the burst in our Bittrex account wallet. So let's head over to the holdings page. And here you'll see the burst you've just bought. So now that you've got your burst, I bet you're excited to send it into the crowdfund and claim your BEX tokens. But not so fast. If you go to the withdraw page here, at the top you'll see a disclaimer. Do not withdraw directly to a crowdfund. This is very important. If you withdraw directly into the crowdfund, you're at the risk of not getting your BEX tokens, so it's very important to follow these steps. For now, leave the burst sitting in your account and let's head over to the burstcoin.org page from where we'll be able to get our wallet. So the URL is burst-coin.org. Link is in the description. Make sure you're using the correct link to generate your wallet. Now that you're on the Burstcoin page, click on the top right download wallet. We'll not be downloading anything, we'll be using the online wallet. It's the easiest, it's safe, it's secure, and in the online wallet section click on the Phoenix Online. It's going to open a new window. Now click yes, I'm a new user to generate a new wallet. If you already have a wallet, you're probably not watching this video, so I'm going to click yes. Now move around your mouse, it's going to generate the passphrase. Once that is done, it's going to generate your ID, your address, and most importantly, your passphrase. It's best to write it on a piece of paper and keep it somewhere safe. Definitely don't be showing it in a video like I'm doing right now. Someone's going to steal your burst. So keep it in a safe place. Click next. Set a pin. This can be any pin you like. Again, don't forget it. Once you've done that, it's going to, this is the screen you'll see. Our balance is currently 0. Now we need to activate our wallet and we're going to do this by the Burstcoin faucet. So click on this green to claim the free burst and activate your address. I'm going to copy the address, go to the Burstcoin faucet, fill it out, claim. This is going to send 0.01 burst to the address. So now This faucet is going to activate the wallet. The transaction is going to take some time. It's going to take around an hour. All transactions after that are going to take literally a matter of seconds. They're really, really fast. Only the activation takes a little longer. So I'll get back here once it's activated and it's added to the balance. So around 50 minutes have passed. The burst has been added to the balance. You'll see this message at the top, this warning. Your account does not have a public key. This is not an issue because we'll be receiving a withdrawal from Bittrex, and from there we can make an outgoing transaction either to the Burstex crowdfund or to another address which will give us the public key. So that's not an issue. So let's head over to Bittrex. Go to the holdings page. There you'll see your burst balance. Click withdraw. Again, we see the disclaimer about not sending directly to any crowdfund. Check the first checkbox because for this transaction we don't need to include any messages. Next, fill out the recipient address. This is the address of your online wallet. And of course the amount you want to withdraw, for example 100 burst. The fee is 2 burst coins, so in total we'll be receiving 98. Click withdraw. Fill out the two-factor authentication code and your withdrawal is on the way. So looking back at the burst wallet, and here we go. We've received 98 into our balance, so it's here already. Few seconds. Transaction is received, and now we just need to wait until it confirms. After it confirms, you're ready to send out a transaction to another online wallet or to the Burstex crowdfund. It's as simple as that. As you can see, it is now confirmed, it's added to the balance, so let's now make an outwards transaction. Click on the top left, new transaction. We'll need to fill out a few details, the recipient, the amount, the fee, if we want to add a message or not, and of course the PIN. In this example, let's send back some money to the Bitcoin faucet. That way we're supporting the community. So let's get back to that page, copy their address, paste the recipient address, fill out the amount, let's say 95. About the fee, let's choose a standard fee, next the PIN, and we're ready to send it. So really it's as simple as that. You can send it to any Burstcoin address, send it to the crowdfund, receive BEX in return. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I urge you to please read our white paper and support our project. Thank you very much. Bye everyone, until next time.